Hello. Welcome. I should probably, put my gloves on since it's, snowing. Didn't think I ever need to have to put gloves on whenever live in Texas, especially Houston, specifically. Well, this is just great. It is currently 15 degrees where I am. It's snowing. It's currently snowing and I have a fire going. Did you ever think that was possible? I don't know. What I know is possible is I'm going to have to get logs just in a minute here because my fire is starting to die down. We can't have that, can we? So, welcome y'all to the second channel. This might be the coolest video you've ever seen. This might be the crappiest video you've ever seen. But it will be a video. So, yeah. I kept this fire pit out. I put a blanket over it yesterday before the snow commenced. And as you can tell, it's snowing. Okay? I'm sitting here in the snow right now. Okay? Now I'm gonna have to grab my hand right there, right where the fire is. See, I didn't feel it, didn't feel a thing. It is hot. It is very hot. Welcome to Undefined. It's really not that cold out. It feels warmer now than it did before it snowed. That's some weird weather stuff my meteorologist fans would know. I'm gonna have to get the logs because this is dying. And we're rolling? Oh, we're still rolling. Hey, don't you know? Some of you might think this is the coolest video ever. Some of you might think this is the worst video ever. It's snowing in Texas. I have a fire. It's currently just smoking. My Canon camera is dead, okay? It's actually quite warm out here, but look at this. I'm walking around, it's snowing, okay? It's snowing. The normal place that you guys see me film all my videos, just covered in snow. Look at this mound. This is where our pine tree used to be. This is no joke. Not good at all. Donald Trump was sworn to president yesterday. And look, all my bamboo is covered in snow. At least the American flag is still blowing. Look at the ditch, it's frozen. The ditch is frozen. Shanty, this GoPro attachment still is here for time lapses, but it snowed in the shanty. You'd think it'd be protected, but it's not. Destroying things wall. My fire is no more, just smoke. I am gonna go out here so I can look at, plants or something. This hibiscus plant. Yeah, this plant right here. This plant is my hibiscus plant. Look, it's my car covered in snow. You know what that says? Unwind. Police, open up. Why's your car parked here? Look, right here, there'd be rocks, Like right here, I'm standing on rocks. For like the road, But it's just snow. And the road, well, the road is just snow. The ditch, but look, just snow in the road. Look, here's the road. Here is the asphalt, and here's the snow. Look. It's really not that cold out here. It actually feels kind of nice. It's just insane.